What if the biggest tech company in the world, with a penchant for revolutionizing every industry it touches, has deliberately chosen not to create its own television set? Apple's empire is built on elegant hardware seamlessly integrated with powerful software and a robust ecosystem of services. But when it comes to the television itself, they've taken a different path, and the reasons behind this strategic silence are fascinating. First, consider Apple's core strengths. They excel at crafting intuitive user experiences, developing groundbreaking software, and fostering a connected services network. Think Apple Music, Apple Arcade, and Apple TV. Manufacturing a television set involves entirely different challenges: deep supply chain management, complex manufacturing processes, and competing with established giants like Samsung and LG, who have decades of experience in panel technology and hardware innovation. Instead of diving headfirst into hardware manufacturing for TVs, Apple has strategically positioned the Apple TV box as the premium gateway into their content empire. They want to control the experience of consuming media, not necessarily the physical display. It's viewed on this allows them to partner with existing TV manufacturers, ensuring their software and services are front and center on a wider range of devices without the immense capital investment and risk associated with building their own televisions from the ground up. The profit margins on hardware, especially in a highly competitive market like televisions, are often thinner than those on software and services. By focusing on the Apple TV box and their streaming platform, Apple can leverage their brand power to command premium prices for their digital content and subscriptions. This path offers greater scalability and a more predictable revenue stream. Ultimately, Apple's decision to avoid manufacturing their own TV sets isn't a sign of weakness, but rather a testament to their calculated strategy. They are prioritizing the control of the user experience, the maximization of service revenue, and the leveraging of existing market players. Their focus remains on delivering that quintessential Apple polish through software and dedicated hardware like the Apple TV box, turning your existing television into an Apple hub.